Hey guys, once again you're welcome to my YouTube channel Auto MT, and in this video I'm going to share the all new details about Jeep Gladiator 2024 model. So first of all, Jeep Wrangler and the Gladiator share numerous similarities, and the both vehicle are undergoing a facelifted for the 2024 model year. While the changes are relatively minor and recent spice reveal that the Jeep is not attempting to conceal anything. The prototype are devoid of any camouflage. Notably, the interior has also undergone update. Previous spice of the Gladiator soft and exterior changes, but the dash and the center touch screen were concealed. However, a glimpse through the passenger window and the high white Jeep provides insight into the updated interior, and the most apparent changes in the presence of the large screen and the absence of the climate vents adjacent to it. This prototype appeared to retain with 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine. However, it is anticipated that the 2024 model will bid farewell to the 3.0-liter EcoDiesel V6 engine, making a way for a plug-in hybrid system similar to the Wrangler 4xe. The hybrid system is expected to the combined 2.0-liter turbocharged inline 4-cylinder engine, 2 electric motor and the 400-volt battery pack, delivering approximately 375 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque. In addition of the visual changes and upgrades are expected, including the latest Uconnect 5 software. Jeep may also incorporate the trail off-road guide and previously found in the Wrangler, and 2024 Gladiator could potentially adopt the Wrangler upgraded Dana 44 HD full float rear axle of the Rubicon trim, although they remain unseen. So guys, in this video I hope you will get some important detail about the all new Jeep Gladiator. If you like, so please subscribe my YouTube channel for getting latest and upcoming Jeep and other car news. Thank you.